Welcome. Last lesson we played a major blues in A. On a normal major blues, not on a minor blues, you use the minor scale to play your solos, while the chords are major chords. Besides using the minor blues scale, you can use the major blues scale as well. Note, this only works in a major and normal blues, not in a minor blues. You can combine the minor and major blues scales. Now you may wonder, how do you play a major blues scale? Well, hang on, it's easy. I'll explain. Do not try to understand this yet. Learn by doing. When you play the minor blues scale 3 frets lower, it is the major blues scale. So it's the same scale, 3 frets lower. Amazing. So here we have the minor blues scale and the major blues scale. They look similar. The difference is that the major scale is 3 frets lower. Note that the ground tone, the tonica or key tone, remains on the 5th fret. In the major scale, you play it with your pinky, while in the minor scale, you play it with your index finger. Let's practice this. When playing solo on a normal major blues, you choose between the minor blues scale, the major blues scale, or a combination of both. When playing a minor blues, you can only use the minor blues scale. Let's do some licks using both scales. Thank you for watching. Next time we'll do a recap of the past 10 lessons. There's a lot of information. I hope to see you then. Bye.